Hi, I'm Dr. Walter Mellon, Chief Scientist to check out our ramps. Yes, they have Chief Scientists. You just thought that they made ramps. Today we're going to scientifically prove the need and use for our ramp dampers for our built-in ramp systems. Follow me this way. We got our site set up. Test 1 is going to be with the ramp dampers. Test 2, no ramp dampers. These tests will convincingly prove the new ramp dampers will not only protect and keep you safe, also eliminate the need to have to open the ramp, therefore decreasing the amount of physical stress on the L4 and L5 disc. All you have to do is close the ramp. It's brilliant! With my test today, we're going to have Dr. Frapples joining me. Dr. Frapples! Dr. Frapples, not again!
Sure, Doctor. Hello.
Are you ready for test 1, Dr. Frapples?
Yes.
Then let's proceed. Do you have a question, Dr. Frapples?
No.
Open the latch. Hey, Mom, I'll call you back later. Dr. Frapples.
He's alive! Can we eat it now?
No! Okay, Dr. Frapples, are you ready to proceed to test 2?
Yes.
Let's proceed. Do you have a question, Dr. Frapples?
No.
On with the test, then! Time of death, 2:37 p.m. If only we would have had ramp dampers.
Can we eat it now?